So what's up guys, so today we're gonna finish doing the chrome delete. I didn't want to get no new rims, so why not make my rims look good, right? So let's go. And then just get my rag and then wipe it down because I was using my car, so the rims are dirty. I'm gonna set these ones up. So here it is. This is the one that we're gonna set up for. So we're gonna do the driver's side now. I did the passenger. Still out there, guys? You guys still there? I cut them in pieces, so I'm gonna do one by one, and I'm just gonna take the paper off little by little, and as I go, I stick it to the rim. So okay, so this is the red chrome delete. So now we got the pieces cut. Let's continue. Let's do the next one and let's finish it up. So let's go. Two thumbs up. Let's do this. If you guys can see from the top, that looks pretty good, right? From there. If you guys took any art classes, craftsmanship is a must. But you could do it. It's just you gotta be patient. But it's pretty easy after. It's gotta sort of calculate where you're gonna rearrange the chrome delete piece. Alright guys, we're done here. As you guys can see, it's complete. And now I'm just gonna stick this ring. It's gonna go right here in the middle of the cap. So let's do that right now. So that makes it really stand out a little bit more. So I'll put this on top of the cap and just go around just before you glue this ring onto the rim. Just kind of try to get it as close as possible here. Because once you get it in there, it's not gonna come off. That thing gets really stuck. So you gotta just try. See, for me, that would be perfect right there. That's perfect right there. So just put some pressure on it. Alright guys, it says here to use the heat gun. Alright guys, so this is the end product right here. All installed and ready. So if you guys can see that, let me know what you guys think. Let me know if you guys like this and what you guys think about it. So this is the end. We're finishing up. So I hope you guys liked the video. If you guys haven't subscribed yet, subscribe, hit the like button, make a comment. I'm gonna leave the description below so you guys get if you guys are interested to doing the same thing I'm doing. I believe they have some blue ones, and even the ring here, they have some blue ones for this one. They have blue one, the chrome delete blue ones. I'm not sure what other color they have. I think that's the only two colors they have. So you guys love blue, then go with the blue. But as you guys can see, this is the end product right here. So I hope you guys like the video. Make a comment below. There's gonna be all the videos here, so if you guys wanna watch the other videos, they're gonna be right here. So thanks. Peace.